I'm about to show you how to get paid anywhere from $150 to $750 every single hour from day one. I'm going to tell you straight away though that this isn't going to be easy. You have to put in the work and be strategic. You can make quite a decent amount of money without needing a fancy degree, a ton of social media followers, and without investing a single dollar. The website that I'm going to show you has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, with CPA marketing, YouTube automation, or anything like that. I know those are the business models that we usually focus on this channel because they are great for earning passive income, and they are great for literally anyone to make money. But today, I just wanted to share with you one particular website that I found that you can use to get paid hundreds of dollars every single hour. And then later on, I'm also going to be showing you exactly how I personally make passive income online. If you like the sound of that, smash that ways. Let's get back to the tutorial. So first of all, the website that we will be using is called respondent.io. This is a research website. It's a platform where massive companies, including IBM, Microsoft, and Dropbox, come to do research for their new products, for their upcoming projects. So they come on here and they pay researchers like me and you to do proper and thorough research for them. And that takes some dedication and work. But every single hour that you work on it, you can get paid at least $150 per hour. And I'm gonna show you exactly how. So as you can see, this is like a sales page for those companies. So if you were a company, you would come here and you would basically read this. You can reach the right audience for your user research, and that's us. We're going to be doing the user research for them. So for example, they're launching a brand new product in Microsoft and they're going to give you that product so you can test it out. So you can do research on it. So you can tell them exactly what you think. So you can tell them exactly what needs to be improved. So you can tell them exactly what they should do and exactly what you would do in their position. So basically, they're just looking for users who do research for them. The participant pool has over 1.8 million high-quality verified professionals. That's going to be us. So there's almost 2 million people that are already making money with this platform. So what I want you to do is I want you to click on participants right over here in order to join as an actual respondent. And that's going to take you over to this page where you will be able to see that you can get paid to share your knowledge and experience. Respondent is the best place to leverage your professional expertise for paid user research. And you can see that you can get paid a few $100s per hour as a software developer. You can get paid $150 as a marketer to someone who actually does marketing for them. So that's $150 per hour. $100 per hour for sales and support, that's $100 every single hour. 5 hours is $500. And then you can see that as an enterprise software user, you can get paid an average of $750 per hour. So you can see it over here, $750 average hourly rate. So that's quite decent if you do the math. And you can actually get a lot of money from it. So as you can see, all you gotta do is create and verify your profile, get matched and apply to projects, and then you can participate and get paid. In order to sign up, all you gotta do is press the sign in button over here. The sign up process does take about 5 minutes because they need to verify that you are a professional in one of those fields. And once you get accepted, you can browse different projects like this. And then it's gonna tell you, for example, this project takes 30 minutes and it pays $40. This project takes 90 minutes and it pays $120. But on average, you can make from $100 to $750 per hour of your work while doing the research. And it's going to tell you exactly what the task is going to be about. So for example, for this 30-minute test, you just need to test the prototype on some app for 30 minutes for half an hour, and you're going to get paid $40 for that. And then you can withdraw your money with PayPal or any other payment option of your choice. So that's respondent.io. You can just sign up and you can use it to make some money by completing those offers, which obviously do take some time and knowledge. Now, if you want to see how I personally make money online and how I've been personally able to establish my passive income systems, Then click the first link in the description box down below where you can learn how to run your alongside you, helping you establish your online business with YouTube automation. So he's going to be there to help you out if you have any questions or if you need some help. He's basically going to be constantly interacting with you, making sure that you're actually running a successful YouTube automation business. And as I said, everything is explained step by step in detail, so be sure to check that link out down below to get started. And that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.